Hi, my name is Louie. Today I've got
Damon with Premier RV.
All right, we got another good one, Damon.
We do a 2017 4054 Newmar Dutch Star.
What's the price, Damon?
$189,999.
58,000 miles, 450 Cummins.
Freightliner chassis, comfort steer.
Really, really good condition. No bad smells, extremely clean inside and outside.
Yeah, really nice coach.
And for people, a lot of people don't want to go over 40 feet with this, you know, the comfort steer and everything else. This is a nice coach.
Yeah, 17 was a good year. That's gonna have tile in the slide rooms when we get in it, and the chassis, the Star chassis, made some nice improvements. Yeah,
we have the build sheet. This thing is fully loaded, radiant floor heat. It's true induction, residential refrigerator, stacked washer dryer. So
great.
It's got everything.
Okay.
All right, let's pull it forward so Jack could get the outside colors. Beautiful colors, huh? You remember the name?
Sedona.
Sedona.
Yeah.
All right. We'll pull it forward here. All right, what do you think, Damon?
Pretty nice coach.
Start at the door?
Sure.
We always do.
Okay. We got a side view camera. Rear view mirrors look good, corrosion free.
Yeah, nice entry steps here with a little bit of storage.
Got a door awning above. Keyless entry.
Yep, keyless entry 4054, so it's 4 slides. It's not a bath and a half, but not everyone needs a bath and a half. This gives you probably more space in certain areas.
Yeah, up front, in the living room, sure.
Yep.
You got a 17,000 pound independent front suspension on this Dutch Star. And tires are Pirellis all the way around, installed in May of 22. We got our fuel fill for the driver's or passenger side.
Yep, 100 gallons.
100 gallons. And we got one like that on the driver's side too. It's dual fill into the same tank. Side hinge compartment doors.
Yep.
Got some goodies that come with it. I see some spare tile down there on the bottom.
Yep.
We got a dual directional tray here. Your awning crank and a slide out retraction.
Just in case if one failed.
Yep. They're always wrapped in plastic and never used.
Good storage though, huh?
It is.
40 feet, that's a lot of storage.
3/4 tray here. So this is going to go back to the Oasis.
Got the central vac here.
Yeah, Dirt Devil.
We've also got the outside TV here.
Nice 40-inch Sony. So on this slide out, we got a window awning, and it's a Girard. So we got the door awning up front, window awning there, another one over here. So those are power.
And then 2 big patio awnings.
Yeah, you got your large roof awnings. And what do we got here, Lou?
We've got the hammock holder here.
Again, another hammock.
We got to get that. We got to get that out one day.
Throw you in it.
Yep.
This is the back side of the holding tank, so Newmar creates a little bit of storage here.
Paint is in excellent condition.
It is. So. Yes, I like the color, and I don't see any paint checking.
Yeah, very
It's got
clean.
a nice gloss to it.
This one literally just came in. We haven't polished the wheels like we normally do, but we had to do some. We had to do a video today, Damon.
Yes.
So the D fluid.
That's the D fluid in there. And then your chassis batteries are right here, and they got a March 24 decal on them, so they're not original.
The height of the coach, 13 feet.
Yeah.
Yep.
These are like 13.1.
Yep, right at 13 it said.
Ride height. Got the washer dryer vent up here.
Yeah, it has a stacked washer dryer. We do have the build sheet, so we could email that to you.
Yes.
It's got a side mounted radiator with a 450 Cummins, 6-speed Allison transmission.
That is nice and clean in there.
Yeah, from Oregon, so.
That's why. I mean, 58,000 miles, 9-year-old motorhome. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, extremely clean, so that's, yeah.
Did you talk about the hitch rating?
15,000 pound hitch rating.
Yes.
Tow bar comes with it if you need it.
Okay.
So they're pretty much done RVing. So we tell them just leave everything in it.
Yeah.
If you don't want it.
Got some goodies in the bays. We got engine air intake up here in the cap. This is the driver's side D-fluid fill.
That's convenient. You could do it from either side, which
Sorry,
is nice.
Jack, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Trying to get a close up.
Yeah.
Sewer hose.
Rhino. Plumbing bay.
Nice.
This is those slipper doors. They slide down when they open.
Fresh water is
105, 65 gray, 45 black.
yeah, nice clean environment here. All your outside shower, your water filter, water hose reel.
Low point drains for winterizing, whole house filter, black tank rinse. And then your Oasis exhaust peeking out down there in front of the drive axle. There's your 50 amp shore cord reel, which is power in. So free wheels coming out so you can walk
Yeah, that's nice.
the cord. And then your 50,000 BTU Oasis hydronic heater, diesel or electric, hot water and furnace. This is the opposite side of the pass-through dual directional tray.
No need for knee pads for you here, huh, Damon?
No, not at my height with a sharp T, Lou. We got some lithium batteries in here on a slide tray. LiPo is the brand.
Oh.
I need to get the date. I don't have that at the moment, but they're not original.
Yep.
We got another power Girard window awning here. And then our front run bay with the gen release.
Nice and clean. We'll pop out that generator, see how many hours are on it.
Let's see, I'm gonna go with 356, like the Porsche. See if that's how close I am. It looks like it's an 8,000.
Yeah, 356. He's
Ah,
done his
jeez,
homework again.
Man.
So it's an 8K.
8KW.
Yeah, that'll run everything. You got an air chuck, little hot water dispenser right here,
That was an option.
air horns.
Hydraulic pump on this side. That's one of the changes in the 2016 Plus is the driver's side full wall slide went from electric to hydraulic, HWH.
Well, this is not a full wall slide though, Damon.
Oh, so it's just that front slide there.
Yeah,
So the whole room will raise up and then come in.
and they got rid of the carpet, right?
And got rid of the carpet. Yeah, it's tile.
Yeah. All right, the front, the 3M looks great, and the
does.
windshield's in excellent condition. So,
Headlights, fog lights look good.
yeah,
The chrome mirrors again.
let's go inside.
Okay.
All right.
So we're up here on the roof of this 4054 Newmar Dutch Star, and we got 2 roof airs with heat pumps, a Winegard satellite system, and then there's 4 solar panels that were recently added. I'm gonna guess they're 150 watts each. We'll find out for sure, but you got at least 600 watts of solar up on the roof of this Dutch Star, and it's clean. I mean, the slide out fabrics are tight. There's no growth or mold. I'm liking what I'm seeing up here, Jack.
All right, we made it inside. What do you say, Damon?
I say we got a correction on those Pirelli tires on the outside. July of 24 is when they were installed, so
Yeah.
pretty new tires, couple years old. You'll be good for a while on tires.
And we'll have to verify the lithium batteries, but with the solar, pretty nice dry camping coach.
Yeah, they
huh?
spent some money on the solar and the lithium upgrade, so you could definitely dry camp in this.
Yeah, so beautiful interior. We got the caramel glazed cherry cabinets.
One of your favorites, yes. Televator here behind the jackknife sofa.
We're gonna have 4 TVs on this thing.
Wow.
One up front here,
Yeah.
one here, one in the
Bedroom.
bedroom, and outside. So keep up on all the good news out there, Damon.
Yeah.
Oh, like you said, radiant floor heat also.
Yeah, the tile is heated throughout, bedroom in front and kitchen.
And then your primary heating system would be the Oasis.
Yep.
And then you also have the heat pumps.
Heat pumps up here.
And AC air conditioning also. So
Yep.
what, 15,000 BTUs probably?
Correct. 15,000 BTUs each.
All right. So we got 2 sofas. This is a jackknife, and then we have a hide bed over here. And kind of the J dinette.
Yeah, the nice
seating.
comfortable booth with storage drawers below. And again, tile in the slide room.
But if you notice, all the fabrics are in excellent condition.
Yeah, this one is...
They've been recovered because
Oh.
in 17 they had some issues with the wear on them. But
Some of these did, but wow, yeah, that's why they look so great.
Yep.
Okay, that's good to know.
Front dash is in really good condition also. I really like the comfort steer, which is really nice when you're steering.
Window sticker is just laying right here, so 424,000 new. We do have this scanned and can email it out to anybody interested.
Boy, and it's super clean inside. Again, no bad smells, no
Yeah.
water damage, nothing like that, or it wouldn't be here. So we're very picky on our inventory.
Yep. It's got auto HWH leveling jacks. Power adjustable pedals, power MCD shades. Dash looks really good. Backup camera, stereo system is right here. Little storage drawer, and 12-volt receptacle. Up here is your HDMI. And then you got a whole barrage of switches here, visors, docking lights, step cover, etc. Comfort drive adjustment knob is right there. So yeah, it looks really good. They've taken great care of it.
Yeah, a good place for the keys to go right there.
Yep,
Damon.
it's got the optional key hook. Command central up here with the inverter, Oasis, local TV, tank heat pads, monitor panel, your awning controls. This does have exterior LED lights on below the slide room on the passenger side at night. And your Girard controller here, Zamp solar. So it's full and all good stuff.
Yeah. Well, we talked about all the seating here. We got a nice sized galley here also with a true induction cooktop.
And Louie, an optional kitchen window.
Gotta have that, Damon.
Yeah. Yeah, all electric coach. Got some nice storage below with remotes and some Lipton tea. And this pull out here, which is pretty cool. A little more counter space, still retained your drawers. Your overhead.
Gonna have one big stainless sink here too. What were we saying on the sheet that it has 9,000 pounds of carrying capacity?
Yeah, so on Newmar's, they always put their weight label in the kitchen, and it's in there on the right, that lower white and black. So it was 9,078 pounds of cargo carrying capacity on this particular coach, as equipped.
Really nice pantry area here. These adjustable shelves, pull-outs. And residential refrigerator, of course. Like all the accent lighting.
Yeah, I saw that in the slide pillars. That looks great.
Good sized shower here with a double sink. Real nice open floor plan. A little bit more storage here. All the manuals are down here. We're gonna have a queen size bed here. Stacked washer dryer too, right, Damon?
Yeah, that was an option.
And here's your wardrobe area. I have a safe back here. Good area for shoes. Good storage though, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of storage. I like it's all tile. For anybody that reaches out and says, can we put a king bed in? No, it's wall-to-wall mattress. We'd have to take this slide out and make it 12 inches wider, and that ain't going to happen. So this is a queen bed coach. Got some nice storage above and some light switches up there.
Yeah, a lot of people want the queen size bed.
Yeah,
so.
you each have an end window for cross flow ventilation.
Yeah.
Outlets by the nightstands. So, and they have a lot of these modules throughout the motorhome for the lights. So they're all labeled and backlit.
And I don't know, have we shown the bathroom yet?
We have not. I was going to leave that for you, Louie, because the way the door is hinged, so you could show off the toilet that they've chosen for this model.
The Dometic?
The Dometic porcelain toilet. Got a window, fantastic fan, some storage.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Again, the shower's big, which is nice.
It is. You got the folding seat, that rain head, shower head. And there's several pocket doors. You got one on your side, Louie, and we got another one over here.
Yep.
So, nice privacy.
Yeah, this thing's in really good condition, Damon.
Yeah, 40-foot tag axle. I mean,
450 Cummins.
a lot of payload. Nice compact size.
Yeah, they've already gone and debugged everything, so it's...
Half price of new.
Yeah. So hit the subscribe button.
It's free.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching.